Okay, everyone, this is the initial unboxing video. I have not looked at this yet. I just took it out of the package. This came today. Oh yeah, 53C, Cyclopedic Concordance, first edition, printing. I'm stoked. So let's check this guy out. Already, look at that yap. I love some yap, baby. And there she is. Let's go ahead and do the thing we always do. We just took this out of the box. Look at the gilt. Headband is awesomely straight. This is a first edition. Just to focus here. Allan first edition by Charfleet. Highland goat skin. And here we go. We've all seen a Longprimer before. I'm not going to get into all that. I'm going to keep this video pretty short. What we want to look at is the concordance, right? So let's do this. So first of all, this is just so awesome. It's like we're not the only Bible getting some awesome lithographic images in here. Check it out. Oh, this is so cool. Our maps. I'm going to keep this really short. Just want to give you a real quick initial view, but I'll be right back because I know this is the most important thing that everyone wants to know about this, and that is how thick is it? So we have our, first of all, let's look at the length here. About 17.5 roughly. This is what everyone wants to know. There you go, guys. Right at 4 inches. Right at 4 inches thick. If we measure just the text block, be very careful here. I don't want to mark this gilt up. There we go. So, beautiful, beautiful Bible. Beautiful Bible. I will spend more time giving a legit review of this. But for the time being, this is what you got, guys. Just want to do a real quick unboxing video.